Hey guys, welcome back for another installment of the Patrick Dealer Group Model Clinics here. My name is Jeremy over at Patrick Cadillac, and I have for you today the redesigned 5th generation 21 Escalade. This trim level here is one of 5. This is a premium luxury, and MSRP on the vehicle is going to be about $88,000, $89,000 plus options and accessories. This combination is crystal white with the brandy interior in the premium luxury trim. Again, take a peek. It's a beautiful car. Again, started industry standard for the full-size luxury SUV. Very commanding presence. Some new updates for 21. I'll take you straight away to the headlamp here. Used to be a completely vertical headlamp. Now is horizontal on the front end here. Give it a little bit more of a sporty look. Standard engine on the 21 Escalade is a 6.2-liter V8. 420 horsepower, 10-speed transmission, towing capability about 7,900 total pounds, so it'll do small boat, jet skis, everything you need to get up and go. Premium luxury trim level is going to have chrome accents on the front here. If you can see the grille, it has chrome accents throughout, and then complementing that is chrome trim throughout the windows, along the baseboards here, and then to bring it all together is a 22-inch standard wheel. Updates on the current year model is increased length overall, so it's a 211-inch vehicle now, up 7 inches from previous generation, and that's going to give you much more room in the second row as well as cargo area. So a much more longer wheelbase on this current year model will give us that extra trunk storage I was talking about. So bringing us over to the back here, let me get this open for you. Just tap the emblem, will bring us back here. So you get added cubic feet back here. Now you have 25.5 cubic feet of space back here with the third row fully up. So that's an increase there. Everything's power fold here, so we could fold them. Folding the third row will give you 72 inches of cubic space, and then with everything down, you're going to have a total of 121 cubic feet of space. So plenty of room for anything you need to move. Cadillac Escalade will get it done. Continuing on some of the updates for the brand new redesigned Escalade, let's touch on some of the interior options. Again, this has got the brandy interior. You got ventilated seats coming on in. Cadillac did not hold anything back. A brand new 38-inch OLED display. Have you guys ever seen something like this? I mean, is this not the craziest thing? Let's fire it up. So you have 3 screens here across the board. I have right now turned on is the AR screen, so it's a front-facing view camera. Again, just another angle so you can see everything in front of you. So I'll take you through a quick walkthrough of some of the technology here up front. Again, completely redesigned, and they did not hold back with any of the available technology. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto integration. That is all standard to take care of you either which way. You have on this side some other options you can play with and customize. They have a ton of colors, so I currently have red ambient lighting set it just to show some lighter tones in the evening. It'll light everything around the interior trim to give you a nice look here. The 21 premium luxury trim level for the Cadillac Escalade comes equipped with a 19-speaker stereo surround system by AKG. It's unbelievable. We got some Swedish House Mafia right now, if you guys can hear that, but it sounds amazing. For those of you who like to listen to music a little bit louder, it's beautiful sound clarity. It's very clear. Standard heated front and ventilated seats up here. Very soft leather. Great materials used. It's very comfortable, plush. Plenty of space right here. So the 21 Escalade again is going to be longer base. So you have more rear space here in the second row, more cargo space in the back. Nobody has a bad seat in the vehicle. Everybody's comfortable. Local trips, long road trips. I mean, if you're back seat, you have it made. Everything you need at the touch of your finger. You have your own instrument cluster here. So you have your climate controls, heated seat options, cup holders, and at the very bottom, USB-C charging stations, so you're good to go. It was with great honor and privilege showing you guys the 21 Escalade. Thank you so much. Be sure to like, subscribe this video, share it with all your friends and family. Tune in next time. If you're a fan of the Cadillacs, the Escalades, my name again is Jeremy, and I will be here for you guys. See you next time.